Head to our website ceratech.co.uk. Click Support and click the Drivers tab. Then scroll down until you find KYB 500 S24B. A file will download. Open it up and double-click the setup. If a Protect Your PC message pops up, click More Info and Run Anyway. Follow the install prompts for Matrix Maker. Once Matrix Maker has downloaded, double-click and open the program. A window will pop up. Select the connection you are using. For this example, I'll be using USB. Be sure to select a language which works for you. I'll be using UK English for this demo. Another window will pop up showing an interactive table. Select an empty square that you'd like to program. I've already got my S24B saved, so I open that, but yours should be clear. Click a square and press key code. From this selection, first have an idea of what you'd like this button to do. For this demonstration, I'll show you how to program the key to launch and open a plain Word document. Window key down. Double-click 0.5 second delay. Type Word and press Enter. 2 0.5 second delays. Press Enter. Click OK in the top right. Press Keyboard, then Update whole keyboard. Don't forget to save by pressing File, Save As. Save it wherever you desire, then you're all set. If you have more specific programs you'd like to run, leave a comment or email harry@ceratech.co.uk and we'll get back to you.